Matt Rule has been fired. Christian McCaffrey has been traded. Wanted to ask a couple Panther fans how they feel about recent changes down on Mint Street.
Wish him the best of luck in San Francisco, and hope to see some good changes from the Panthers in the future.
I like the defensive side, just don't like where the offense is going. And the McCaffrey trade, I think for the picks, was a good trade for us because he's been injury prone, but it's sad to see him go. You know what I mean?
So now every day on Sunday, we have no chance of winning. We don't even care about the playoffs. Let's just be competitive on a Sunday.
I get blowing up the team. I get all of that. But why would you completely get rid of everybody that actually played good offensive football?
Like they said, a win this week for us and a loss for a couple teams in the division this week, we're right there in the playoff hunt.
The Panthers are trying to avoid their 5th straight losing season. The Cats pulled off a surprising win against Tom Brady and the Tampa Bay Buccaneers last Sunday at B of A. A wild card will be difficult, but they have found their run game and a strong defense under captain Steve Wilks. It is clear to David Tepper that Panther fans demand a winner. I am Shannon Kendall, reporting from WCSB News, the one to turn to.